It's opal picking day. I thought I'd share this video with you. I was sitting here doing this thinking, why am I not filming this to share? So I'm going to jump right in. I only have a few minutes before work to go through one more bag this morning. So yeah, let's look and see what's in here. This is mining rock from Oregon. These are fire opals. Throw that bag down. I'm going to rinse this real quickly to the side here because I don't want a lot of water on my table. So let's rinse through this bag. Rinse some of this off. I'm not going to do a great job here rinsing this off simply because I don't have a lot of time. I just want to make a short video with you. Alright, let's see what we can find in this batch. I'm excited because look already. Nice big chunk, beautiful fire in there. Boy, I hope you can see that in the camera, the color and the fire flashing in there. Oh, I hope that shows up. I'll just turn it a few different ways just in case it will show up for you. Okay, here's another one I saw. It was peeking over there at me. Look at the clarity on that one. Lots of flash going on inside of there. Let me hop up and see if you can see it. Gosh, I don't even know if I'm in the camera because I'm sitting down there where I can sit down there close to the pieces as I'm picking them. So that was that one. Here was that other one. This one, oh, there's some of the flash showing. Oh good, I'm glad it's showing. Alright, let's look some more. Okay. Oh, here's a nice big chunk. Oh. Let me see. I'm going to hold this one up to the sun. I know you can't see. Oh, I wish you could. I wish I could hold this up to the sun for you to see. This is completely translucent. When I hold this up to the sun, let me see if I can make it focus. The fire, oh gosh, I wish I could see. The fire in it, it turns completely bright red when I hold it up to the sun. There, you see that little flash of red in there? There, can you see that? That is how it looks completely through it when I hold it up to the sun. When I get to work today, I'm going to try to get some pictures. I'll take some of these in and see if I can hold some pictures up. I'm going to keep those in my hand and let you see them. Nice clear yellow. This is a nice big chunk on matrix. It's another orange and yellow. This one has some rainbows in it. There's another beautiful one. Let me hold that one up. Yep, another one that is completely translucent in the sun and just has that gorgeous fire flash like you would want in a fire opal. I'm really excited about this bag. And there's another one. Ooh. Check out this one. This one's more opaque, but still a very pretty piece. I'm loving the colors in that. There's another one similar. Check it out. I'm going to set some of these down here. I need to get more hands. Keep digging through these. Oh, let's see. There's one. Really pretty pieces. My goodness. Maybe I won't go to work. I'll just call Julie up and say, hey, I'm staying home and picking opals today. Okay, let me see. There's another one. Some more chocolate color. Really pretty. They all are pretty. There's a really pretty one. Oh, I keep forgetting. I'm so engrossed in looking at these pieces, I forget to hold them up to the camera for you to see too. Not used to filming myself doing this. Let's grab some more of these. I'm just going to pick out a couple and then hold them up here. So this is a more yellow clear piece. And this one more opaque. This one looks opaque. Yeah, it is. When I hold it up, there's still some red flash, but it's mostly an opaque piece. Got a lot of flash in this one. There's another piece. Another clear piece. There's another one. Little pieces like this. Now little pieces like this will actually, we'll put these in rings. Like we do the band rings, you fill with the you fill the channel with the gemstones. Yeah, we'll do some of those with these little pieces. So everything that we find is like, there's no bad pieces. Let's just put it that way. I will sit here and pick out every piece, no matter how tiny they are, because they can be made into jewelry or something. You can do something with them. Another one. This is more of a chocolate one, but there is definitely some red flash in that. That makes it really pretty. Another of the clear ones. Looks like a tennis shoe. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to set some of these down so I can dig some more. Now you got to be careful because like pieces like this, I'm really doing this in a hurry to show you today, but that could actually cut me. That's pretty sharp, so I should be a little more careful. Like this piece for sure. It's like a blade on top of there. That could definitely cut. But look how pretty that is. I'm standing up for this one. I want you to see. Can you see? Well, for one, it's translucent, but the different color gradient before you even see the flash. This is a piece I would leave just like this for a little collector piece. Oh, I think I'm dropping some. I don't want to do that. Let's see, what else? I know I said I was in a hurry, but I kind of hate to walk away when we're finding all these gorgeous pieces in here. But I do eventually have to get into work. And then I'll post this video for you, and some of these pictures, I'll try to get Julie to help me take pictures as I hold them up into the sun so you can really see them. Hopefully it doesn't get cloudy today. I don't know what the weather is today, but we're going to see. Just piece after piece after piece in these bags. Some more right on top. So let me give this a little shake. There. That could actually become a cabochon for in a necklace. Get some mud on me. More pieces, more little pieces. Get another shake. So I don't know how good you can see through the camera, but there are lots and lots. See, these need cleaned a little more. There's so many pieces still covered up by gravel. I would say in this, oh, there's some dendrites in this one. Can you see the dendrites in there? So that would be a dendritic opal piece. Oh, that's like a pineapple color. Oh, sorry, I lost my train of thought. I just get so excited over these pieces. There's another big piece. But here's another with dendrites. Yeah, I completely forgot what I was about to tell you. But, oh, I know what I was about to say. If you look, I don't know if you can see these. I'm going to try to push these over like this and see if I can get them in camera. But do you see how many pieces? That's all opal already, just from this small bag. Get it up out of my dirt there. You can see all those pieces, hopefully. I'm going to move them back. And I would say there's at least that many more, if not twice as many. There's not too many of these rocks that are just matrix. Like, that's a piece I would keep. So when you pick out these, the rest is really almost all opal. I mean, I'm really excited about this. I mean, of course, there's some little gravel pieces too, but as you can see, as I keep picking through here, there's just a great deal of opal in here. So many little things and little pieces to discover, little flashy pieces. I could keep going doing this all day, but unfortunately, I do have to go into work and hang up the opal picking for the rest of the morning. But I will be happy to do more of these videos like this. If you like these kind of videos, please let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely make more. Now that's a beautiful piece. Let me tell you about this piece that I like about it. So I'm going to stand up so you can see what I'm doing here. So I don't know if you can tell, but down here's some dendrite. Then it goes to this really deep burnt red, up to some brighter red, up to some orange, and up to some yellow. Oh, can I get that to focus? I really want you to see that. Kind of hard to do. And I have a camera angled down. I don't think that I can angle it towards the sun. I don't think that would be work at all. But I'll take a picture of this at work. I'm going to set that one aside so I can show you when I can see what I'm actually doing with the camera. So yeah, so many nice little pieces in here. I mean, just look at it. Let's see if I can, if I do this, if you can see some of the flash in there and how much opal is actually still in here. I know the angle is still kind of low, so you might not be able to see in here as well as I can, but little pieces everywhere. Beautiful pieces everywhere, all with gorgeous fiery flash. Some with rainbows. I did see one with rainbow. So yeah, sorry, gotta get to work. Gonna have to cut this short, but yeah, love this stuff. Love it. I hope you love it too. All right, see y'all. I'll be back with some pictures and this video.